Teachers, let's see how to add material to our Google class. As you can see on the screen, different classes of the computer are here, or some other class also may be on your screen. So I have to add new material to class 9th computer. I will touch on the class and my class will open. At the screen you can find here different stream, classwork and people at the bottom. So at the bottom you will select classwork. When you tap on the classwork, you will find here a plus button at the right bottom. Some topics and material are already added. Now I am going to add a new topic and material with the help of Google Class. I will tap on the plus button. Then out of assignment, question, material and topic, I will select the material option, that is the third option. As I will tap on the material option, I will find this screen. My class, all student, title of the topic is given here. So I am going to add a title of computer hardware. So I will type computer hardware. I will give some description about the computer hardware here, that what is computer hardware. A description is something that tells about the title of your content or material. You can create a new topic and you can use old topics also. So when you click on no topic, which is given at the bottom, you can see you will get the option to add a new topic. You click on add topic, or you can also use old topics. Like my old topic introduction to computer is shown, other old topics will be displayed at the bottom, but I will create a new topic here. So I will tap on add topic and I will just start typing a topic, and after that a tick button is there. Tap on the tick button and after that you use save button to save the topic. As you can see, computer system topic is appearing below the description. Now after that you can add some material also. For that, attachment button you may be finding at the top, and next to attachment button post button is also there, but now we will tap on attachment button. Here few attachment types are given, like you can record a video, you can take a photo, you can attach any PDF, or you can upload any file from the Google Drive or from the mobile or computer, and a link button is also given. So which file or link you want to use, accordingly you can use and attach. For giving any link, you tap on the link button. Here you give the link of your document, whatever is the link of your document, and after that you tap on the add button. Now finally, suppose your link is also added, then that content will be below the topic. Then post button, you are able to see that arrow pointing from left to right. Tap on the arrow and your material will be slowly posted and it will be on the screen. As you can see here, new topic is added computer system and material is added computer hardware. By tapping for a long time, you can shift any topic or any material from one place to another. You can move whole topic or whole material also. As I am moving, you have to keep on tapping. Don't press hard, otherwise that will affect your mobile screen also. So now you can see that computer system is coming below to introduction to computer. I can move again once again at the top. You can see, and slowly it will be updated. So I am moving computer system below it. Now when your student will open, then you can easily represent your material to the student. When a new material is added, in the stream option at the bottom you can see that new material is shown according to the post time and date, and your students information also will be appearing in the stream. You have to find out how many students have joined, like, or any other detail. Then you tap on the third option, that is bottom right, people. Tap on the people option. You can see how many teachers are teaching and students of your class also. You can remove or mute any student by tapping on the three dots. You can email your student also, and you can remove them. Suppose a student is very notorious or making some unnecessary comments, then you can mute that particular student also. When you mute a student, then this message will come up on the screen, and after that this mute button will appear on the screen. Again you can unmute the student in the same way. When you have to change your class, then you tap at the top. Three different lines are appearing. You tap on the line. All your classes will be shown here. You can change your class. If you want to change your account, at the top you can see. From there you can change your account also. Just a small arrow pointing downwards, you have to tap on that, and you can change your account from that small arrow. All your accounts are shown. Suppose any new account you want to add, then what you are supposed to do, you tap on add another account, and that account will be added. Now any of your class you can open, and you can check the classwork what you have given to the student. You can add new material, like, etc. So hope you understand and you will be enjoying teaching through the Google classes. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.